Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tige here in the VIX pit at the Cboe. And now I've been a market maker for a long time. I've been in this pit, coming back to this pit to do these hits and go on the air. And I love being in the pit. You really get a feel for the market. Number one, you get to have the order flow. You get to see the orders coming in as they happen. But number two, you get the atmosphere. And today, anecdotally, I can tell you the atmosphere in this pit, in the S&P pit, in the VIX pit, is electric. We're on an inflection point. On Friday, on Thursday and Friday, we had the market selling off hard. On Monday, we had another sell-off. I think we had three sell-offs Thursday, Monday, and now today. And the market was a little bit less active each time. And today, we saw the inflection point. We didn't make a new low yesterday. The VIX was well below its other highs. So I think the market was saying, we're kind of holding in here, and the market liked it. And there was a lot of uncertainty. We're seeing that certainly with the big moves in the market. So we're seeing big moves in the VIX, we're seeing big moves in the market, and they're true moves. They were down 1% on the low this morning, and now we're close to unch right now as I'm taping this. We'll see where we are when it releases, but we're seeing really big moves in volatility, and that's showing up in the SKEW. Now the SKEW is relatively flat. Novice traders will look at that and say, oh, there's no interest in the downside puts. There's complacency maybe, but actually what I see when I say that is there's a lot of interest in the at-the-money strikes in the market, so the people are bidding up the straddle, so people are looking for big moves in the market, and they're absolutely getting that, and they're able to scalp that, and that's been a big winner to date. So going behind me in the VIX pit, again, we're seeing another big move. We had the VVIX over 100 on the open. Now we're creeping down lower as the market's rallying. We saw a big move in that yesterday, went from 110 back down to 95. So we're seeing a lot of big moves in the VIX. We're seeing a lot of big moves in the VVIX. I'm watching all that. Now the VIX itself is kind of yo-yoing around that future. It's going to a premium, to a discount, to a premium, to a discount. So I think the futures traders are looking at this and having a lot less movement than the VIX itself, and they're expecting it to come in towards Memorial Day weekend. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tige.